Hello students, how are you all? Today I will teach you a new topic in craft. So take your craft materials and craft book. Follow me step by step. Let's start. Let's start now. First, draw the borderline with sketch pen or pencil. And now write the heading A Parrot. And today's date. Write this heading and date in your index also. Now take a craft paper of green color. Any green color you can take because we are making a parrot. So first you can take both the side color also, one side white also, okay, no problem. So take a paper and fold it in middle like this way. Then open it. We can see your line. So fold it like this way, slowly from the corner and press it. Same thing this side also. Now this triangle is there. Turn it back side and fold it back side. This way. From this corner to this corner. So it will become like this. Now once again turn this side and from this line once again fold it like this. One and so you can see like this way shape. Okay. Now this part you have to close and press it nicely. Now from this part you have to open and little like this way with the finger, and you can see here like a big point is coming. Little big we will do. Otherwise one thing, easy method I'll show you. First fold it like this way. Okay, you got line here, so from the line only fold it inside like this. See, and slowly open it. Now for this craft work is over. Now we shall do eyes and another thing, decoration. Take a sketch pen and like this put this. Now take now the eyes red color because parrot beak and eyes come red color. Beak also do red color. You can use sketch pen also red color in place of color. Okay, so like this say beak and eyes do with the same green color. Okay, little open and color it. So it will come. Now take dark green color, sketch pen. You can this way. Okay, so your parrot topic is over. Now we shall do background. Okay, now we shall do background. On the tree we'll do here we will stick parrot. You can show. Okay. Now we will do background sketch pen border. toes will stick. Now to the side. Only this much. Now we shall start coloring. Before that, rub this all pencil work. Now coloring. Now, here with the light blue color, you can show the sky lightly. Okay, now take this parrot and back side put a gum, not to put so much gum, and stick it. Okay, you can put little gum in middle also, one dot, and place it. Now your parrot topic is completed. You also complete and send attachment. I will check. Till then, be at home, be safe. Bye. See you.